and have 5 mans. And 40 rolled over those pots. And it was not very nice.
Then what happened?
He got the sugar, and I wasn't gonna save here. If Dom was here and save the day.
Good thing Dom was there.
And a long time ago.
It was a long time ago.
Yeah.
And what happened?
And somebody was there to help somebody.
Why did he need help?
That was help from when big monster, blue monster, eat him.
That big blue monster ate him?
The little guy did.
Oh.
The big guy and the blue little monster eat him.
Oh.
That was not very nice.
Yeah.
Long time ago. Opening the door. Go get him.